So mine's over Uline. The story, the innovation, heritage, and professional ice engineering since 1962. The category creator, world's first residential unit. In 1962, Uline patented and manufactured the world's first under-counter residential ice maker. Transformed the home bar experience, introduced restaurant-grade ice convenience to private homes, pioneered the under-counter refrigeration industry. One of the cool things with the ice makers that Uline makes is they have the UChoose TM tech, digitally adjust the ice thickness from -10 to +10. So what that means is low density -10 is gonna have a deep dimple, perfect for chewing a high surface area cooling. With high density, so +10, you get a solid clear block for slow melting spirits and whiskeys. The ice profile. So the types of ice that they have is going to be the Crescent Ice, the no drain workhorse. A solid half moon shape bin stays below freezing, requires no drain, allowing installation anywhere in your home. Then they have the clear ice. This is the cocktail standard. Clear ice cubes, water sheets over a vertical plate to wash away impurities. Constantly melting ensures fresh ice, although it does require a drain. The Nugget Ice, the soft chewable fan favorite, uses an internal auger system for perfect compression. The bright Shield Anti-Microbial, a continuous and visual cleaning crew inside your ice bin. It neutralizes viruses, bacteria, and mold. It eliminates the slime buildup automatically and reduces the frequency for manually scrubbing. Ensures 100% sanitary ice for baby bottles and cocktails. Combined with their flush design, in-counter UChill models, and bright Shield self-cleaning tech, it's absolute peak of American luxury bar engineering. Question.